Hello, beautiful people. If you want to improve your English, if you want to improve your spoken English, in that case, you have to speak to someone. Okay. You can find some friends who can speak English or who are interested in English like you. Then you can practice with them and you have to practice regularly. I mean, you have to maintain your regularity. Okay. And you have to practice with them regularly, or you can find some foreigner friend or native speaker who can speak English well. Okay, and you can practice with them. There is no any shortcut way, and if you want to improve your spoken English, you must have to speak in English. Okay, so this is the way how you will be able to speak in English. And if you are beginner and if you want to learn English from zero level, in that case you can watch English videos, uh, whatever you like. If you like cartoon, then try to watch cartoon in English. If you like movies, then try to watch movies in English. Okay, and remember one thing, that is you have to maintain your regularity. There is no any shortcut way. Okay, so you have to watch videos every day. You can watch English videos every day, and when you will watch video, that time try to repeat the sentence. Try to uh, pause the video and try to repeat the sentence again and again. That is the way. Okay, and if you are beginner, then you can watch videos and you can repeat the sentences again and again. This is the way, and you can uh, watch English videos every day. You have to maintain your regularity. You have to keep in mind this sentence, that you have to maintain your regularity. I mean, you have to practice every day, every single day. Okay. For speaking practice, you can search Google free for talk. Okay, there are so many people like you who are waiting for you, who are interested in English, who want to practice, who want a practice partner. Okay, so you can practice with them to improve your English, and that's it for today. Yeah, keep practicing, keep learning. Thanks for watching me.